Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So this is another part. In this part I'm going to show you how to add a comment section in Django. Like if you go to that particular post, if you go to detail, I have also added the just simple code to add comment section and the number of comment it had. Okay, so in this and the right side we will add all the comment based on this product. Okay, so that's super important. Before I create the model, let me show you go to the product detail page, and as you can see I have taken a div of class called md4. It will take the 4 space and the card is taking the 8 space, okay, where all the information is shown. But this div called md4 and we take another div to add all the comment, okay, in this part. So we'll add all the comments here. So first we need to create the model. So this is the main step. So we need to class comment. It would inherit from models.model, okay, and it would have an attribute of product, okay. It should be models dot foreign key with the product, because the each product, okay, will have a comment section. Each product, as you can see, this product has an ID of product/1, okay, and it would have a comment section. So for that we need to go to the product. We need to be connected with that particular product ID and the particular product that we are commenting on. If you are working on a blog project or any post, then it should be post of that particular post comment. You need to connect the post model with the comment model. So this is very important. Then we need to have a name. Suppose related name should be comments. We can connect all the product class with the comment class using this common pattern comments, okay. So this is the related name for this product. So I will show you why I written that in that way, like related name is equals to comments later, okay. So for that, just watch the full video. On delete I'm gonna write models dot cascade, because when we delete this particular product, okay, when it means that when I delete that particular product, the comment will also be deleted, because we don't need any comment if there is no product available. So this is super important. Then we should have a commenter underscore name. We should have a commenter name, and it should be models dot character field, okay, and the max length is 200 suppose. And you can also use here, for example, Django documentation. And if we go to the Django documentation, as you can see, we have a user model working with user objects. Here you will see from django.contrib.models import user. As you can see, I can import this thing, and I can also, the commenter name should be the person who is signed in, because only registered user and the signed in user can comment on your particular product post, okay. So you can write models dot foreign key with that particular user model, okay, that the person who is signed in. That's why I need that user, because currently I have only one user. If you go to the Django admin panel, if we go to /admin, as you can see, I have only one user. So this user is the particular user that you are connecting on, because the commenter name should be adding by the particular user who is logged in, okay. His name would be there. You can also do this like this way, but I'm not going to do this. I'm going to make a simple comment section. It should be models dot character field, and its max length is 200, okay. We need a comment body, comment underscore body, and it should be, comment body should be a models dot text field, okay. It should be a text field, or which we can write in the area section, like in the HTML we have text area, is like that. Comment body can be any size, and then we have a commenter name and the commenter body. If you want to add any image, you can also add image, but I'm not gonna do that much complicated here. And the date added, okay. The date added should be models dot datetime field, datetime field auto add now is equal to true. It will add the current timestamp of date added, and a function str function that self, and we'll return percentage s dash percentage s, it is string, and it should be self dot product. That product also have a name, that particular name that we are commenting on, and self dot commenter name. We want the commenter name who is commenting on, and which product, and its product name, because the product model also having a name, as you can see. Okay, so this is perfectly done. In the admin panel you will see the product name and the commenter name who is commenting on. Okay, so our model creation is successful. Then we need to go to the admin panel, and we need to go to the dot models import. We have previously we have product and a category, then we're gonna use the comment. Okay, and we're gonna register, just copy this name and just paste here. It should be comment, model that we're gonna register. As you can see, we have another comment, as you can see, comments. So for that I just registered it, and now I need to create. If you go to the initials.py file, I don't have anything, I have only product and the category, but we need to migrate it. So now I need to migrate it. We have to write python manage.py make migrations, because we added a new model. As you can see, new comment model, we need to migrate to the database. Make migrations. As you can see, we have a new model called comment, as you can see. And previously we had products and the category, but now we have added the comment, and it has an ID, commenter name, comment body, date added, and the particular product which we are commenting on. Okay, and the related name is comments, because we are connecting the product model with the comment model with the comments. It is the related name. Okay, so be careful with that. And then to write python manage.py migrate. Okay, it is migrated. So if we save it, if we go to the comments, we need to run our server again. Manage.py run server. Okay, if we go there and go to comment, and here you can add your own comment. As you can see, the comment model is connected to the product model that we are commenting on, like Apple iPhone 10 I want to comment on, and the commenter name should be, I will give commenter name any, like my name that I'm logging on. But later when we add comment from the model forms, you don't need to add that, it will be added automatically. Okay, so now just add it. Add the comment which is iPhone 10 is awesome product. Okay, save it. So as you can see, the product name and the user who commented on. If you go to the models.py file, as you can see, the product name and the comment. This is for the admin panel. Okay, as you can see, is commented, added. Then you can add another comment, Intel desktop gaming PC, and the user superb gaming PC. Okay, save it. Perfect, it is done as well. And if you go to the database, if you go to the Django product database, as you can see, we have a product category, product database, and we have the comment table. Okay, it has a comment, has an ID, it has a commenter name who is commenting on, and then we have a commenter body, that what we wrote, and the date added. We have all the models that we want is there, and we have also the product ID that we commented on. Now be careful, this is the product ID that we commented on. So our product is connected with the comment table. Be careful, this is super important. And this thing is done, migration is done, everything is properly okay. So it's perfectly done. Now we need to render all the things that we have added from the admin panel, as you can see. Or now we need to render all the things that we have wrote, all the comment in the admin panel. So if we go to this site, as you can see, if we go to this page, we need to render all the comments in this particular page. So for that we need to go product detail page, and here I'm gonna write, let me add a BR tag so that it looks better. and then we're gonna do a HR BR tag and an HR tag, and then we write the logic to render all of those information. If not each product, because each product is each product's information, as you can see, each product dot name, each product dot price, each product dot description, all of those things is coming as a context in this detail page, product detail page. And so that's why we need to write each product dot comments. Now how we can connect each product with comments? When you go to the models.py file, as you can see that we connected the product with the comment model with using these comments. So that's why if you go to the product detail, we can get all the comments of each product if you go to the each product dot comments. Okay, and then we pass all. If not each product dot comments dot all, then we're gonna write something, some logic, else we write some logic. Okay, and we need to write end if as well. We need to finish it off. Okay, end if. So perfect. Then we need to write a paragraph tag, no comments added yet. Okay, if it means that if not each product dot comments dot all, if there is no comment in this particular each product objects, okay, then you need to write no comments added yet. Else we're gonna write a for loop. It should be for comment in each product, for comment in each product dot comments dot all, we're gonna render all the comments. Let me finish it first. N for, and we're gonna render everything. Suppose in h3 tag it should be strong tag. I need to render comment dot commenter name, comment dot commenter name. That name is that model's name. As you can see that first we have a commenter name and then comment body with and date added. We will need all of those things. So comment, we go to the each product comments, and for each comment we're going to write comment dot commenter name, and then copy this thing. Now we don't need to copy, just paste it here, and here I'm gonna render comment dot comment underscore body. So this should be rendered in a comment body that we wrote in the Django admin panel, and the comment of commenter name, and we need date added. It should be in a small tag. So let me copy and let me cut it, paste it, comment dot date added. Okay, the information, if we run this thing, as you can see the commenter name and the comment body is added from the database, and the timestamp. Okay, so this is super important to add it. Post, and as you can see this comment is also added, and you can also design it as you wish. Okay, now we need to have a button inside a paragraph tag. We need to have an anchor tag. We need to have an anchor tag that will do the like add comment. Okay, add a comment. When you click on this button, it will add a comment. Okay, so it should have a class of btn dash primary. Looks good. If we go to that page, as you can see, when you click on this, we can add a comment, and it will do some functionality for us. Here we'll render all the information from the database. First we check if there is any comment in this particular product. Okay, then we parse all of this. Else if there is no comment, then we should no comment added yet. Else we'll parse all the comment is in the for loop for all the comments, and then we have a particular button that will add the comment. Okay, so this is super important. Then to create a view like template add underscore comment dot html. Okay, we can render update. We can copy all those things from the update product page, Okay, so this is the page where we add our main comment. Okay, so we don't need that ink type multipart form data. If you work with image, that you should have to use multipart form data. Otherwise you don't need that. I can write add comment. Okay, so this looks better. And to work with this comment, we need to go to the forms.py file, and here I'm gonna import the comment. Okay, because we're gonna need to add a comment form so that we can add all the information in a model form. Okay, so we need to work with that first. So we need to write class comment form, which is forms dot model form. We inherit from the model form, and then we should write class meta, and our model is the comment model, and our fields we want is suppose comment body. Okay, we only want the comment body, so there is only one thing. So commenter name, let me first add commenter name, commenter underscore name, and the comment body. And with those two information, we don't need the timestamp and the post. And then we can write widgets. We can copy this thing and paste here, and it should be commenter name. Okay, it should be a text input because it's a character field. Then we have a comment body. It should be a text area input because it's a comment body. Okay, it's nice. So we have a commenter. We want these two fields from this comment model, which is this model. We want commenter name and comment body. Okay, so in the forms.py file, so we need to import that thing, comment form, in the views. Here I'm going to create another function, def add a comment. It will take a request and it will take a primary key, that which product ID that you want to comment on, because if we are going to comment on that URL like product/ID, okay, we need to get that particular product. So we're gonna write each product, which should be coming from the product dot objects dot get ID is equals to primary key. Okay, we need that thing, and then we pass the form is equals to comment form. Now we need to import the two models. We need to import the comment model and the comment form. This is from the forms.py file and this is from the models.py file. Okay, let's save it, and the form should be comment form. Okay, let's save it, and we need to pass a context. Context should be form is equals to form. Okay, that particular form, and we're going to return render. It will take a request and it will go to the add comment page dot html and pass the context. Okay, so when we click this function add comment, it will redirect us to that page. If we go to the templates, it will go to that add comment, and here we're gonna add all our comment in the comment section. Okay, in the as a form input. Add comment, when you run this particular function, it will render this page. It will take us to this page where we add our comment name, comment body, and it will be saved to the database. Remember that this is super important. So we are just using the form and the comment form instance, and we're gonna pass this particular form thing that we get, and in the comment form, if we go to the forms.py file, In the comment form, we want only commenter name as a fields and the comment body. So this is important. And if we go to the urls.py file, we're gonna add the comment. Just paste it here. Particular ID, add comment. Okay, it should be add comment, and its name should be add dash comment. This is the dynamic URL. So this is fine. It will go to the particular product ID slash its comment. Okay, it will go to the particular ID slash its comment, like this. Okay, it will hit that particular URL, and when you hit that particular URL, it will send all information to the add comment.html pages. Okay, views.py, save it, urls.py, save it. So we go to the add comment. As you can see, when you redirect us to that page slash add comment, it says us to give us some comment and something like as a comment body, and then we submit, and it will submit all the information to the database. But this is just to show you how the page will look like. Then what we need is the particular product. Okay, so our instance should be each product, because we are commenting on that particular product. Remember that this is super important. If you forget this, it will not work. Then I need to check if request dot method is equals to post, if it is a post request. Okay, because if you go to the add comment page, as you can see, this is a method of post. It will do the CSRF token and the form input and the input of submit. So we need to make sure that it is a post. If it is a post request, then we're gonna write form is equals to comment form, and the comment form will take a request dot post, because we're gonna add the commenter name and the commenter body from the HTML page. So that's why we need to connect it with request dot post, and we are also posting the information to the database. So we need to go to the comment form and request the post information, post data, and the instance is the each product, because we need to get the each product by its ID. So that's why you need to query product.object.get ID of that particular product instance that we're gonna comment on. So that's why we need that. And we also need the name. This name is the commenter name. Remember that. That's why I need request.user.username. That particular username who is logged in. That's why when you go to the admin page, suppose if we go to the admin, if we go to the users, and that username is this username. Okay, so if you want to add email, you can use request.user.email. It will show the email, but I'm gonna use the username. Okay, and the body, we're gonna use comment body, we're gonna use the comment form. It should be form dot clean data. Form is the instance of the comment form. So you're gonna go to the first, we get the name of the logged in user. In the body, you're gonna go to the form.clean data. In clean data, I'm gonna write the comment body. This comment body is coming from this models, as you can see, the comment body. Okay, so you're gonna get the information from the comment body. Other two things are not important. The date added, for date added is not important, because for that we have the Django from date time, import date time, and the post we need. Okay, so if you write, suppose C is the variable and this is the comment model. Comment model will take some parameters like product, commenter name, comment body, and date added. Okay, we need some parameters. So the product should be is equals to the product of each product that we queried from the database. Make sure it is product.object.get, that particular product ID that we're commenting on, that product. Okay, so then we have a commenter name. Commenter name is the particular name, which is request.user.username, who is logged in, so it should be name. And then we have a commenter body. Commenter body should have form.clean data of comment body. You get all the information from the comment body field and save it to the body. Okay, so it should be body, and we have a date added or added date added. It should be date time dot now. Okay, so what date, comment body, commenter name, and the product, which is same as this model. Okay, we're saving all the information there, and just we need to write c dot save. You can add any name. It should not be a c. You can use any other variable name. Okay, now when we save it, you're going to return us and go to redirect. Sorry, it should be redirect, and redirect should be show products page. Okay, simple. And otherwise we should also make an else condition. Else it should be a form. It should be comment form. Okay, it's perfect. And then we pass the context form and render that particular add comment.html page. When you run that add comment functionality, okay, it will take all the information from the database and the particular instance of that product that we commenting on. And if the request.method is equals to post, we take the comment from instance and they get all the information and or that particular instance of that product that we commenting on. Then we have the name request.user.username, and the body is form.clean data of comment body. Two information is very important. Then we just save the comment model. The product should be each product, and the commenter name is the particular commenter name logged in, and the comment body, which is the main important thing of our comment section. And then we have the date added when we added the date. These two things is super important, and it will be saved to database. Okay, so if we go to the urls.py file, as you can see, this is the URL product slash its id and slash comment. Okay, it should be added, and let me check if it is working or not. If we go detail and slash add comment, okay, this is the comment. We don't need that. Actually, we don't need that commenter name that we specified here. It should be automatically coming, so we don't need that. We only need the comment body, and make sure it is a tuple, so we need a comma there, and we don't need the comment name here. We want on the comment body. If we run this thing, nice product. Okay, we are commenting on the particular product ID of 1. Okay, comment from clean data. Okay, there is no clean data of that particular product, each product, and we need to check if form dot is valid. We need to check the validity of the information that we passed. Then if it's valid, form dot is valid, that we can go to the form dot clean data of that comment body. So we need to check another condition, it's form dot valid. Then we get the name of request dot user, and then we have the body using the form dot clean data, and then we save the comment object model. As you can see, the product, the commenter name, comment body, and the date added. So all the thing. Okay, save it. Okay, I want to save it there. You have to write else. Let's write print form is invalid. Okay, so now it will work. We just need to add if form dot is valid, then it will do the save information to the database and return us to show products page. Else it is form invalid. It is added. As you can see, nice product. And the username, I didn't write it here. I just wrote the, if you go to add comment, I just wrote the comment body, nothing else. So it is working perfectly. And go to the urls.py also, as you can see, it's working. And we just need to link this to product detail page to add comment. Here I have to write the URL, and it should be add comment of each product dot id, because you are all commenting on each product and its id. If we go to this page now, okay, add comment, as you can see in the URL, as you can see in the URL, you have the product slash its ID slash its comment. So that's why we need that particular ID. And how we can get each product. As you can see, we have the context here. Each product is each product that we commenting on, so it's ID. Okay, so we are commenting on that particular post or the article, anything you want to say. So if you go to the particular product information detail, as you can see, you have it. And if you go to this PC, and let me add one more user, let me log out, let me register with my another name. It should be ghazi@gmail.com, and this is another user. Okay, username, password. Let me log in, and I'm just gonna comment on this product. We need a gaming PC like that. Okay, let me comment it out, and as you can see, the user who is logged in is coming from the request.user.username, from the views function. As you can see here, the name is coming from the request.user username that I currently logged in. Then we have the body, which is form.clean data of comment body, and then we just save all the information in the comment model and just save it and do whatever you like. So this is super important to know how you work with this. And the instance, it is very important because you're commenting on the request.post that you write here in the comment. As you can see, this is for the request post, and which post of that product ID of 2. It can be product ID of 3 that you are commenting on. Okay, it could be anything. So that's why you need each product's instance to comment to request.post. So I hope you get a particular idea that how you can make a comment section in Django. Okay, so as you can see, it's working fine, and it's also working fine. So this is very simple commenting system in Django that you can use and apply in many other projects as well. So one more functionality to add, which is number of comments. Okay, that it will show. And we need to go to the code and go to views.py file, detail, product detail. Okay, we need to write number of comments. It should be get the number of comments using the comment.objects.all.count, and we can pass this thing number of comments. It should be number of comments. We can pass this thing and to the URL as a number of comments. We can pass this context, and it should be go to product detail, and here it should be number of comments. Okay, it should be number of comments. Save it, refresh it. As you can see, you have total 5 comments in all the post. Okay, now if you want the comment from only this post, okay, it should be comment.objects.filter filter by each product. So to each product. Okay, dot count. Okay, as you can see, we have only 2 comments here in this particular product. Okay, we have 2 comments. So if we go back and go there, we have 2 comments. If we go to the TV, we have only 1 comment, so we need that. So number of comments should be comment.object.filter. We're filtering all the comment or the product of each product, because each product.object.get, because in each product we're gonna go to each product page. As you can see, this is the product number 4. So each product, how many comments we have? So that's why I need comments.object.filter product.each product, and each product has its ID. So okay, so filter product by each product, how many comments we have, and its count. Okay, So that's why we get the number of products, the number of comments in each product and its count, and we pass that context to number of comments to the product detail page, as you can see. So if we refresh it, as you can see, it's working very perfectly, the number of comments that we have. If we add one more comment, which is one more comment added, submitted, and if you see, as you can see, we have 3 comments. Now I want to add a delete comment functionality, because the current logged in user, as you can see, can only delete his comment, not others. He cannot delete others comment, like these are different user and this is another user. So the person who is logged in only can delete his own comment and add comment, but he cannot touch others comment. Okay, so this is very important. We need to figure it out in the template. So first we need to create a function to delete. So write delete comment. Okay, so I'm deleting the comment. It will take a request and it will take an ID of primary key, okay, that which one to delete. Then we need to write comment perfectly is equals to comment dot objects dot filter. So we're gonna filter out all the comments. Okay, and the comment model has product attribute. As you can see, it has product attribute, it has commenter name attribute. You can filter out the comment by this way, and I want to filter it out by the product, because I want to go, because the comment model, if as you can see, if we go to the models, the comment, as you can see, the comment model has a connection with the product with the foreign key, so we can access that. Okay, so it has a product attribute, and product has an ID of primary key. Each product has its own ID. If you go to the database, as you can see, we have a product ID and the comment ID. So product, if you go to the products table, as you can see, product also has an ID that we want to comment on. So that is super important. So if we go there, so the product also has an ID. So ID, and this ID is the primary key that will pass in this function. Okay, so it should be ID is equals to primary key, and that each key will consider a particular single product, because in each product, when you go to the each particular product, this is product /2, so I'm going to product /2 here. If you go there, it is product /1. So each product has its IDs. That's why we're queried by filtering by each product's ID and gets all the comments based on it. Okay, so that we can delete it. And if you go to there and just write comment dot delete, it will delete all the comments that you want to see. So if, and it will delete everything, and it will return redirect, and it will go to the show products page. Okay, show products page. But this is not the best solution, let me tell you. Okay, this is not the best solution. There is one more solution which I'm going to talk about. If you go to the URLs, and let me copy this one quickly and paste it here. This should be delete comment with that particular product /ID. It should be delete comment, and also this is delete comment. Okay, save it, and the views, and we have the product detail page. We can add one more, which is delete comment. Okay, when I click on this delete comment, it will go to this function delete comment and delete all of our comment. Okay, and it should be each product's ID. It will go to the particular product ID that we want to delete. So let me check if it is deleting or not. So if you refresh this page, as you can see, we have add comment and delete comment, but we need to change the design, which is button danger, so that the delete button looks red. Now it looks better. So currently I'm logged in as Ghazi account, and this is my another account, and this is another account. So we need to delete this comment. If you click on delete, it will go to the product /2 delete comment. As you can see, then we redirect to show products page. As you can see in the views function, we redirect to show products page. If we go there, as you can see, all the 2 comments that we had before is deleted. Now let me add one more comment, and this is awesome product. Then we go ahead and another one, it should be I like it. Okay, So as you can see, it deletes all the comments. Okay, it will parse each product, it will parse comments from each product, because each product may have multiple comments. It will parse all the comments in a single product page, so it will delete everything. If we click on delete, all the comments will be deleted. As you can see, we have only 2 comments in this page, but we don't want that. We want only 1 comment to delete. Okay, so that's why we need to add first. If you click first, it will delete the first comment, and if you click on last, the latest one, it will delete the latest comment. So I'm going to do that. If you click on that and save it and delete this, it will delete the latest one. I like it. Okay, as you can see, it is deleted, and we have 1 comment left. Let me add it again. I like it again. Okay, submit. As you can see, it is added, but I want to go not only show page, but I want to go inside this page. After I delete, I want the application should stay on this page, not another page. Like, you should not go to the show products, it should stay in this particular page. So for that, I need a simple thing. And for last, for deleting only 1 comment object of all the comment object, so that we can delete only 1 when we click on delete comment. Okay, not all the comments. So then we need a product. So now we need a product underscore ID, and this product ID, you need to go to the comment objects, and comment object has a product, and the product also have its own ID. If we go to the models, as you can see, product has an if we go to initials.py file, as you can see, product has attribute of ID. That is what we get using the comment, because comment and product model is connected. When you go to the comment, you can directly go from comment to product and its ID. Okay, we can also go from comment from a product.image, and we can go product.price, all of the features, but I want only the ID. Okay, and for that I need to add one more thing. In the redirect, I need to use reverse. For using the reverse, you will use the from Django shortcuts import reverse. You need to use that thing. Okay, so I'm gonna use reverse. I'm gonna name it as product, and I'm gonna get arguments. I'm gonna pass as list, which is product ID, and product ID is this product ID that we parsed from the comment object. Okay, because the comment is associated with a particular product ID. Okay, we need to parse that ID so that we can go to that URL, that product ID URL. Okay, if we now delete it, it will stay in this page, because we have a product/2, which is the product ID. So we need to get that from the comment object. Okay, so product.comment.product.id, we get the product ID, and if we go to the particular URL, it will go to the reverse, and it will stay in this particular page product detail, and the argument is product ID, and it will get the particular product ID that you want. Okay, so that it stays in this particular page. Okay, not any other page. So that's why you need to write it like this way. Okay, so this is super important. So save it, and if we go there, refresh it, and delete a comment, it will delete I like it again, because it is on the latest post, latest comment, and it will delete and stay in this page. As you can see, it stays in this particular page because it also have this particular ID that we want, and this ID is coming from comment.product.id, and we have the product ID saved, and in the reverse URL I just added the product ID so that it stays in the page. And comment.delete is for deleting that particular comment that we parsed from each product object. It will delete each comment. So this is very simple thing. Just add this line so that it stays on this page, and for that we need to add this line as well. So this is super important. And in urs.py file, it should be product/id and delete comment. It is very simple. And the product detail, we have added one more function, delete comment, and delete comment of each product ID. So that's why we need product ID. We need to pass an ID because we have an ID in this delete comment function, and we also have it in like urls.py file. As you can see, we have an ID as well. So we need to add it here. Suppose you are currently logged in as Gazi. Okay, you can also only delete it. But if you comment on this, suppose let me log it out and go to the my main content, and this is the main user. If you go there, if we comment here, I am from Adip account. Okay, as you can see, I cannot delete all the comment. Okay, I can only delete only my comment. Okay, so that's why you need that thing. So for that we need to do something. Let me copy all of those things, cut all of those things, and paste it inside here, inside the for loop, so that we have the access of this comment object, because comment has commenter name. That's the thing we want. So here I'm going to write an if logic, if request dot user dot username. Okay, if the request dot user is the user that is currently logged in. Suppose I'm logged in as Adib account, or I'm logged in as Ghazi account, based on it may be your name. Request dot user dot username, the person who is logged in only can delete his or add his own comment. So I'm gonna add it here, the finish it and if. Okay, so if request dot user dot username, the person who is currently logged in, is equals to comment dot commenter name. Okay, so you can copy this thing as well. We need comment dot commenter name. That's why we are inside the follow, because we have the access of this comment dot commenter name. So comment dot commenter name, the person who is commenting, is equals to the person who is logged in. Then we can add comment and delete comment. You cannot add or delete other people's comment. This is not right. If you save it and refresh it, okay, now you cannot delete this comment. You can delete only your comment. Okay, so I can add, suppose one more comment added. If we go there, as you can see, we have 2 comments we can delete. Okay, I cannot delete this one, but I can only delete mine. As you can see, I can only delete mine, but I cannot delete his. But when I just log out and log in at this account, okay, now I can delete my comment. Okay, if we go to detail, I cannot delete his comment because he is not the current person who is commenting, and is not the authenticated user at this moment. He is another user, he is not me. So that's why I cannot delete his comment, but I can delete my own comment. So that is very important thing that you need to do if you want to work with this kind of thing. So this logic is important. Okay, this logic is important. The views.py file, this is important. Just filter out all the comment in particular product ID. Just filter out all the comments that each particular product has, and then I need a product ID because I need to go to that particular product detail page again after deleting it. So that's why I need a comment dot product. We have the access of product and its ID. Okay, and then we have the comment dot delete to delete this particular comment object. So this is the 3 important things that you need to know. Okay, so that's all for it, guys. Thanks for watching. I'll be coming with a lot of amazing content, and stay with me and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. I'll be coming with the next video.